There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. It feels so good to be back doing another video for you guys. Welcome. And if you are a returning subscriber, returning viewer, welcome back to another video. Thank you guys so much for being here. Feels so good doing another video for you guys. It's been a while, I know. Apologies for the delay, and I just want to say a huge shout out to all the persons who have been showing us love over the past couple of days, past couple of weeks, months, years. You guys are truly appreciated. Your kind words, it doesn't go unnoticed, guys. We really and truly appreciate it, guys. Enough love, enough blessings from the Andersons, you understand? Big up on yourself. Really appreciate you guys. So I'm outside, as you guys might have seen. I'm currently at a meat shop. I'm gonna be going inside to try and find goat meat. We got up this morning feeling for some curry goat, you know, that Jamaican flavor, and that's what I'm in pursuit of finding today. So I'm at this butcher shop. It's called Blackman Butcher. It's a shop that we have always been able to find Jamaican kind of meat in the past. Not always successful, I must say, but more often than that, we have been successful. So I'm gonna go in and see if I can find goat meat specifically, and then after I leave here, I'm gonna go to Superstore and just grab a few items. I'll just take you guys along with me. You don't know the shops, guys. If you are here and you are not yet subscribed, please take a second to hit that subscribe button. Let's see how fast can we get to 10,000 subscribers. We've been trying to get there now for a month and a half. Help me out, man. Help us out. Click on that subscribe button. Smash that like button on the video if you haven't done so already, and drop a comment. Let me know what you're having for dinner today. Let me know how's the day going, what do you like about the channel. It can be about anything. Just drop a comment right down below. Let us know that you are here, right? As you guys would have noticed, we haven't done a video in a while. Thank you guys for sticking it out with us. We're back up and running again. As you guys might have noticed, we're good again. Went to the barber this morning, and by the barber I mean nuts. I might just drop a clip right here.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me.
How did she do, guys? I know I've been rocking this skin trim for the past couple weeks. Kind of grew on me, I know. My head doesn't look as big as it was when I first did it. What do you guys think? Let me know. But anyways, going into Blackman Butcher in pursuit of curry goat, guys. Let's do it. Oh, guys, man, it's starting to feel like winter. Place is just wet and cold and dark. In case you guys are wondering, it's now after 10 in the morning, and daylight saving time kicking today. So we had to move the clock back 1 hour today. So Jamaica is officially 2 hours ahead of us now. Okay, let's go in. Hello. Oh, this is some beef oxtail. $28. It's not that bad, you know. But on the oxtail I'm coming here for. I come specifically for goat meat. As I'm not seeing any goat meat, so So I just took a walk around, guys, and it doesn't look like they have any goat meats. So, excuse me, any goat meats? No? No goat meat? Man, I've been trying to find goat meat for the past week. Yeah. It is what it is. Yeah, I just got confirmation, guys. No goat meats. Should I go with oxtail instead? Do some curry oxtail? Or should I check somewhere else? What do you guys think? Oxtail price here is actually not that bad. How much is it though? Trying to find the 1.362 kg. That's like roughly 3 pounds. Alright, so this is roughly 3 pounds. I'm gonna just go with this oxtail instead because I don't want to go somewhere else to try and find goat meat and then it's not there either. So, oxtail it is. Alright, I see some of this. Yeah, big up to all who love chicken foot. Big up to all who don't eat it either. So as you guys can see, I didn't get any goat meat, so I ended up buying just the oxtail and chicken foot. It ended up costing me $35, which is roughly 3,500 Jamaican dollars, and I ended up getting 3 pounds of oxtail and 2.5 pounds chicken foot thereabouts. Chicken foot soup, curry chicken foot, incoming very soon. I know the strips. Kind of seems a bit expensive if I'm being honest, but expensive is really relative. What would this cost in your country? To get 3 pounds of oxtail and 2.5 pounds chicken foot cost me $35 just now. Comment right down below and let me know. I'm gonna be going to Superstore right now just to grab a few additional items so we can, you know, at least get some of dinner today. Like we wanted curry goat, but I'm gonna just end up doing some curry oxtail, but let's see what goes with that. Alright guys, smash a like if you haven't done so already, by the way. Guys, when it comes to going to the store, I'm the worst person. So we have a cabinet full of grocery bags because you don't get bags anymore for free. You have to buy it, right? And every time I come to the store, I ended up having to buy a bag because I keep forgetting to leave the bags in the car. So right now, I'm gonna end up have to buy another bag. Promise you. Grab one of these guys. Okay, let's get some lemon. So Nats has been having a sore throat because of the change of season. So she asked me to get some lemon. So get some lemons. $6, 3 pounds. Not gonna lie, groceries becoming so expensive. $3.99. Get some asparagus. You know what's funny? I didn't like that vegetable before moving to Canada, but now it's one of my favorites. Now, corn has always been one of my favorites ever since discovering corn. I absolutely love it. There's no price on the tomatoes. Not sure what's going on. Guys, now I'm regretting getting a basket. Basket is so full. I should have just literally gone and get a cart. But this is what you get for being too lazy. You get 1, 2, 3 total. Yeah, there's no more. $117, guys, which technically is not that bad considering that the bag of chicken I had 3 is like for $55, and in total it came up to like 12 pounds chicken. So it's like £4 per chicken, which is roughly what, $16 per Ola chicken. So technically it's not that bad, but it's pretty expensive. I'm not gonna lie. I was able to get 3 chicken for $30-something just a couple months ago. So 3 chicken for $50-something is definitely a bit on the high side, but no complaints really. Hopefully the economy get a grip and things start coming back down very soon. Fingers crossed. But I'm just heading back home now, guys. I'm on cooking duty today. Hold on, we'll navigate right here. Yeah, I'm on cooking duty today, guys. So I'm just gonna wrap up the video right here. I just want to say, if you haven't subscribed already, guys, please take a second to subscribe to the Andersons. We share our Canadian journey for all who want to learn. living in the beautiful city of Grande Prairie, Alberta. If you're in Grande Prairie, smash a like on the video. If you're thinking of coming to Canada, smash a like on the video. And if you want to see more of these content, of course, just stick and stay, subscribe to the channel and become a part of the family. You understand? Check out all the links in the video description right down below, guys. Almost 10,000 followers on TikTok. Thank you guys so much for all the persons who have left YouTube, gone over to the Andersons TikTok and gave us a follow. We really appreciate it. If you haven't done so already, go and give us a follow. Check us out on Instagram, the Andersons Originals. Check us out on Facebook, the Andersons, and be sure to be a part of the family. All right, guys, thank you guys so much again, and see you guys in the next video.